8th of May, 1945. Archive footage of Winston Churchill before his VE Day broadcast. Exterior Trafalgar Square, day. Archive footage of crowds swelling the Capitol on VE Day. Winston Churchill voiceover. Hostilities will end officially at 1 minute after midnight tonight. Union Jacks are everywhere. It's a carnival. Title: As the Second World War ends, the free world celebrates the defeat of the Nazis. Exterior Street Party, night. Winston Churchill, voiceover. We may allow ourselves a brief period of rejoicing. A bonfire burns in effigy of Hitler. Title: The horrors of the Holocaust were already known. Exterior concentration camp, day. Archive footage of the liberation by British troops of Bergen-Belsen concentration camp. Winston Churchill voiceover. It is the victory of the cause of freedom in every land. Exterior blitzed London, day. Archive footage of bombed out buildings everywhere. Winston Churchill voiceover. Long live the cause of freedom. Fade to black. Title on black. But by February 1946, there are 11 fascist groups in London alone. Fade in. Exterior Maccabee House, night. An army jeep tears down the road and screeches to a halt outside Maccabee House, a large Victorian building. 2 soldiers jump out, salute, and the jeep speeds off. The smaller one is Harry Schaefer, 30s, a clean-cut kind of guy, with matinee good looks. The taller one is Isaac Goodman, 40s, broader and ruggedly handsome. Harry: Home sweet home. Isaac: Couldn't we go straight to yours? Harry pats Isaac on the back and ushers him inside. Isaac and Harry weave their way through the corridors. Each room holds a different activity: card games, chess, smoking rooms, etc. The older men, obviously ex-servicemen, sit quietly and look weary, often dressed in ill-fitting, demobbed suits. The zoot-suited teenagers are noisier and brasher. Interior Maccabee House, hall, night. Harry and Isaac enter to cheering. The band strikes up, for he's a jolly good fellow. Isaac: I said no fuss. Harry: Since when do I listen to you? There are mostly older people in the hall, some in uniform. A welcome home banner clings to the wall. Next to it is a newspaper cutting of Isaac receiving the Victoria Cross. Anne Schaefer, late 20s, petite with bobbed auburn hair, bounces over to Harry and throws herself on him. Anne: Harry! She starts crying. Anne notices Isaac and composes herself. I'm sorry. Oh my, look at me. Harry: Anne, this is Isaac Goodman. Isaac, meet my little sister. Isaac edges forward and uncertainly shakes Anne's hand. Isaac: I've heard a lot about you. Anne: Likewise. Jack Schaefer, 60, thick greying hair and neatly trimmed beard, hugs his son and shakes Isaac by the hand. Jack: How can we ever thank you? Isaac: Please, Mr. Schaefer, it's not necessary. Jack: Our house is your house. Don't forget that. Isaac: Thank you, sir. Martin Bentley, 33, average in every way except for his expensive suit, hurries over and grabs Isaac's hand. Bentley: The hero returns. Welcome home, Captain. Isaac struggles to hide his irritation. Isaac: Call me Isaac. Bentley: Martin Bentley, Jewish Defence Committee. There's some people who want to meet you. Sophie Phillips, 18, rushes in like a gust of wind. She is pale-skinned with long dark hair and talks with an Irish twang to go with her Gaelic looks. Sorry I'm late. Anne admonishes her with a shake of the head. Harry clearly doesn't recognise her. How about that? Back in one piece after all, cos? Harry's blank expression gradually changes to surprise. Harry: Sophie! Sophie curtsies cheekily and Harry hugs her. Isaac can barely take his eyes off Anne as Bentley introduces him to various dignitaries.